Cryptocurrencies, often regarded as a threat to traditional banking and financial institutions, have gained substantial popularity in the previous half-decade, while also posing a regulatory nightmare for banking authorities around the world. There are currently over 969 cryptocurrencies in use around the world, with a total market valuation of around $116 million. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that is created and stored using computers. The supply of cryptocurrency, unlike monetary currency, is not controlled by any central bank or government, and the network is fully decentralized. A cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to function as a means of exchange that use encryption to safeguard transactions, limit the creation of new units, and verify asset transfers. In this video, we are going to tell you about the top 5 cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Just as we start, subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to never miss any video from us. Now let's start! Number 5. Dogecoin. Celebrities and billionaires like Elon Musk have made Dogecoin a popular item. Dogecoin was famously established as a joke in 2013, but due to a committed community and inventive memes, it quickly became a popular cryptocurrency choice. Unlike many other cryptos, such as Bitcoin, there is no limit to how many Dogecoins may be issued, making the currency vulnerable to depreciation as supply grows. Dogecoin was founded as a playful spin on the blockchain mania, named after the popular doggy internet meme of a Shiba Inu dog. This year, the cryptocurrency has grown by about 4,000%, making it the 8th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. Its price reached a high of more than 70 cents in early May, but has since dropped. Because of its huge circulation and unrestricted potential to mine more, Dogecoin's price remains considerably below $1. While Bitcoin has a limit of 21 million coins, Dogecoin now has 130 billion in circulation, with additional blocks accessible to mine every year. Dogecoin has a far faster mining rate, or hash rate, than Bitcoin, providing it a quantitative advantage over the leading cryptocurrency. Dogecoin may be found on a variety of cryptocurrencies exchanges like Gemini, SoFi Active Investing, and Webull. Number 4. Cardano. Cardano is renowned for being one of the first crypto projects that use proof-of-stake validation. By removing the competitive, problem-solving part of transaction verification found in platforms like Bitcoin, this solution reduces transaction time, energy consumption, and environmental effect. Cardano functions similarly to Ethereum in that it uses ADA, its native coin, to enable smart contracts and decentralized apps. It is intended to require a fraction of the energy that Bitcoin and Ethereum consume. Cardano accomplishes this in part by employing a proof-of-stake protocol, which does not reward excessive energy consumption and is becoming a more common approach for blockchains to validate transactions for security reasons. Cardano, the 5th most valued cryptocurrency with a market cap of $43 billion, is working on allowing smart contracts, which should be fully operational in a couple of months. In comparison to other prominent crypto coins, Cardano's ADA token has grown slowly. The price of ADA in 2017 was $0.02. Its current price is $2.11 as of August 2021. This represents a rise of more than 10,000%. You can buy Cardano at crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, eToro, and SoFi. Number 3. Polkadot. Polkadot is a one-of-a-kind proof-of-stake coin that aims to provide interoperability between different blockchains. Its protocol connects permissioned and permissionless blockchains, as well as oracles, allowing systems to collaborate under one roof. Polkadot's essential component is its relay chain, which enables network interoperability. For specific use scenarios, it is also for parachains, or alternative blockchains with their own native currency. Polkadot differs from Ethereum in that instead of constructing just decentralized applications on the platform, developers can establish their own blockchain while still benefiting from the security provided by Polkadot's chain. Developers can establish new blockchains with Ethereum, but they must implement their own security mechanisms, which could expose new and smaller projects to attack, as the larger a blockchain is, the more security it is. Polkadot refers to this concept as shared security. Gavin Wood, one of Ethereum's project's main founders who had conflicting perspectives on the project's future, launched Polkadot. Polkadot has a market capitalization of $25 billion as of August 2021, and one DOT is worth $27.90. You can buy Polkadot at Karen, Benzinga, and Binance. Number 2. Ethereum. With a market valuation of $357 billion, Ether is the 2nd largest cryptocurrency. The Ethereum blockchain is built on smart contracts, which enable decentralized applications such as decentralized financial services. Ether is not a cheap investment, but it is well worth it. Ethereum is an open-source, decentralized blockchain that enables users to build smart contracts. Ether is the platform's native cryptocurrency. In terms of market valuation, it's the 2nd largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin. Ethereum is a premier decentralized finance technology, allowing users to write smart contracts that execute automatically. Ethereum is an innovative money-saving technology because it has the ability to eliminate third parties such as banks, brokerages, and clearing houses. The growing tide of decentralized finance should result in increased use of this platform, which may be used to issue new cryptocurrencies or produce and exchange non-fungible tokens, often known as NFTs. You can buy Ethereum at Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Number 1. Bitcoin. For most investors, Bitcoin is a crypto business in a nutshell in many ways. The digital asset, which was created in 2009, has changed the financial sector and become a household brand. From 2015 to 2017, the cryptocurrency experienced an extraordinary bull run, but its price has since plummeted, prompting many to believe it is nearing the end of its life cycle. Bitcoin roared back last year, gaining almost 260%. It has an unrivaled growth runway ahead of it, despite regulatory constraints and competition. Due to regulatory crackdowns by many nations, particularly China, BTC has recently retreated dramatically. Furthermore, due to its large energy usage, there have been debates regarding whether it is harmful to the environment. However, because of the cryptocurrency's immense popularity and utility, these fears are expected to go away with time. Bitcoin will continue to rise for the foreseeable future, with a high probability of crossing $100,000 by the end of the year. You can buy Bitcoin at Coinbase, eToro, Robinhood, and Binance. That's all for this video for the top 5 cryptocurrencies to buy now. We hope we could be of help. If yes, then give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. See you all in another video. Till then, stay tuned to our channel.